Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to delete a letter on Instagram. If you're using Instagram and now you want to delete your widgets, let's see how can you do this. Just open your Instagram app and here just tap on your profile in the bottom right corner, and here you just have to tap on edit profile, and here you will get your profile or the avatar. If you have, just tap on it, then tap on your avatar, and here you will get the delete avatar option. Just tap on it, then tap on delete avatar if you want to delete that. If you can't find this option here, so you can easily find it from your profile setting. Just go back, and here just tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From here just tap on account center, then tap on profiles. From here just select your Instagram profile, and here you will get a better option. Just tap on it, and here you'll get three dots in the top right corner. Just tap on it, then tap on delete option, and then tap on delete again. In this way, you can easily delete a letter from your profile. It will delete your letter. You can see letter deleted. You can now exit or editor. If you want to create any new editor, you can easily create that. But I'm going to select exit from here. So that's how you can easily delete a letter from your Instagram. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.